Can we cancel a McDonald's mobile order? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can cancel a McDonald's mobile order. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, you can simply head over to your McDonald's app. Head over to the order that you've just placed, and you can check if it has been prepared or not. So what McDonald's website says here is that right now or whenever you've ordered your meal and you've already paid for it, you cannot cancel your order. That means that you can only cancel your original order using the cancel button in your order details, but only if it has not been prepared yet. And there you can see once your order starts being prepared, you cannot cancel your order. And yeah, that's the only way, guys. Just tap on the cancel order button before you pay or before your order starts getting prepared. And yeah, that's the only way. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.